Hello everybody, this is MTG Entertainments. Today we're going to do some loose packs opening. Got myself some loose packs from my local LGS. It's a Amon Cat set, and let's start cracking. Okay, it's been a while that I did some videos, so let's hope we get some luck from this. A lot of the occurs, start to finish, Shepherd monitored, new perspective, and the full art swarm. Devoted Crop Mate, Gate to the Afterlife, Exemplar of Strength, Glory Bringer. Oh, it's the rare. Okay. Open into Wonder, Embalmer's 2, Vizier of Deferment, Soulscar Mage is the rare. Open into Wonders, Embalmer's 2, or it's the same, Vizier of Deferment, Mouth to Feet. Kenra, Charioteer, True Heart Duelist, Watcher of the Dead. Oh, that's a Mythic, Combat Celebrant. Nice. Well, I think the packs is quite decent. Sixth Sense, Nest of Scarabs, Shadowstorm Vizier, Pull from Tomorrow. Oh, these are the few rares. Manglehorn, Fate of the Devoted, Shadowstorm Vizier, Drake Haven, Full Art Forest. Okay, Vizier of Remedies, Synchronized Strike, Hornet Crop Captain, Sandworm Convergence is the rare. 3 packs left. Sixth Sense, Stir the Sand, Grasping Dunes, Gideon's Intervention. Oh, sorry. Manglehorn, Lord of the Curse, Cast Out, and Pull from Tomorrow is the rare. Last one. Well, I don't expect any masterpiece, but something decent will do. Bone Picker, Weaver of Currents, Baleful Emmet, and the rare is, oh, it's a dual land, Scattered Grove. Alright, it's quite decent. At least I got the Glory Bringer. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I might do a box in the future, so please visit my channel and support. Thank you. Have a good night.